The number one mistake most people make with their retriever after hunting season. Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. Now that hunting season is coming to a close for many of us, we're probably thinking about different things like fishing, turkey hunting, or maybe a little bit of travel and vacationing over the summer. So with that said, don't make the mistake that most people make when it comes to their retriever training after hunting season. With us being able to easily get distracted and thinking about other things, what'll happen is hunting season will roll up right on us here before we know it, and we'll be a month out from hunting season. And you don't want to wait till hunting season to get your dog prepared for next season. It starts now. And so I've got 3 easy steps for you that you can take to get your dog better prepared for next hunting season without having to break your back and without taking too much time out of all the fun things that are coming up, like fishing or maybe vacationing and things like that. So step number 1, or tip number 1, is evaluate. I want you to think about what your dog did good this hunting season, and I also want you to think about what they didn't do so good. Maybe they struggled with taking hand signals, or maybe they weren't as steady as you would have liked them to be, or maybe they were just having trouble picking up bigger birds. Whatever it is, I want you to think about it and let that kind of be an idea to set some goals for next hunting season. If you're happy with your dog the way it is now, then maybe not. Maybe you just maintain them. But I would ask you this question: are you happy with where your dog is at currently? If you rolled into next hunting season, are you completely happy with that? And if the answer is yes, then great, maintain it. If it's no, I would rather it be better in certain areas, then that's going to be where you set your goals. So that's the step 1, evaluate and set your goals. Step number 2 is make a plan. And it's pretty easy and simple to make a plan, but with those goals in mind, I want you to set a goal and a plan to move forward as you start training it. And don't feel like you have to train 7 days a week to get your dog prepared. Make an easy plan where it's maintainable, 3 to 4 days a week, and take your time. And then also, when you're making that plan, try not to focus only on what your dog struggled with, but also focus on what your dog did very well, and incorporate both into your training as you move forward from the spring all the way until next hunting season. And then finally, step 3 is execute. Once you make your plan, make sure to follow through with your plan so that you can be successful. And then what I would also say is, on your plans, when you're executing them, don't have one long plan until next hunting season. Try to make it in 30-day plans or 60-day plans so that you can reevaluate once you've made it to the end and you've executed your plan, and then you can make adjustments as needed so that you can be as best prepared for next hunting season as you possibly can. If you do that, hunting season's not going to sneak up on you, and you're going to be better prepared for this coming hunting season.